Doing makeover for my daughter for her senior high school graduation photo shoot.
POV, your cameraman's about to pee.
Mom, earthquake. Mom, earthquake.
Unahin muna natin ang close your eyes at saka mouth close. Ready, start.
Plot twist,
Okay.
pepper spray.
Ganon, ganon. Pay. Open! Next, lagay tayo ng cream. Eh, ito may kulangot.
Caught in camera.
Nalagyan na natin ng hindi ko alam. Next is kailangan mo ba ng concealer?
Concealer? What's that concealer?
Yung parang pang tago ng mga problema sa mukha.
Ah, yeah, only that, please.
Okay, so hindi natin ano kaya ito na lang. Yung sa ilalim ng mata, lagyan natin konti.
No eye bags. Wala eye bags, hindi ka nagpupuyat.
Okay, look at here. So gamitan natin ng maybe
What's that?
next is this one, the liquid foundation. Actually, mayroon naman tayong ano. Ito. Gamitan na natin to. Maganda ba yung ano? I-ano mo Watson? Focus.
I zoomed in. I have a 4K picture of Kulangot.
Yo!
I'm just kidding, you don't have one. Calm down.
You're fine. Just joking. Look at me in the eye. Don't laugh at me. I'm serious.
Ano mo Watson? Ito?
I hope you don't like ruin my eyes. On
Huwag ka
this.
kasing gumalaw. Okay, close your eyes.
She's sleeping.
Huwag mo ano.
Oh my god, your teeth can be seen.
Yeah, so shut up.
Anong mag-shape sa dulo?
Mom, please don't
Okay.
ruin it.
Next.
Watch out, there's an ant.
Close. Close your eyes.
She's trying so hard.
Ay, nako. Papangit to.
Oh my god.
Gre, Watson, nagmaingay. Ayan.
Oops.
Oh, eh. Kwatabi tissue. Dali. Sobrang iksi kasi ng ano.
POV, you're preparing to be a drag queen.
Am I drag queen? Watch every breath you take.
Ano na si Puno man?
That's you, Kuya Watson. Get cure!
Eh, ano lang natin. Ito lang gamitin natin. Ouch! Be? Ano lang natin mata mo para ano.
Mom, earthquake. Mom, earthquake. Earthquake.
Oh my god, cartoon character!
I have 50 years of drag queen experience makeup. So, look at here, look here, look here. Carefully look here. Psych, you're being recorded. Just kidding.
Kaya na. Alam mo naman na hindi tayo professional sa pag-ano. Malaglag. Huwag naman na pag-ano.
Not again! What is that for the eyes?
Hindi, sa ano? Brow definer.
Ah, bro, okay.
Sorry, my fault. You have to see the black things around your world, Winona.
Shut up. Wait lang.
Serious, don't laugh. I told you, be serious, don't laugh.
Next is we will do like
Sorry guys, we have to turn off the video because she's not alright. She's not okay.
magano na tayo.
I want to blush.
Pinaka unprofessional na makeup artist
But why are you gonna make up by yourself than me?
is the mom of Winona. Next, mag-powder tayo.
Prototype from Chemicals. It caught my reality of makeup. White.
Stop being sarcastic.
West Virginia. The opera, according to Winona. You're a ghost? Oh, no way. So we're making a makeup on a ghost? What? The
Tapos,
What are you doing?
POV, your cameraman's about to pee.
wala tayo, light lang.
Hey, don't eat that, Winona.
Yan, ganon, no?
yeah.
May, hindi lang.
No,
Huwag
to
mong
make it
dilaan.
clear.
Asan ba yung...
Hi, this is the mirror.
Lang, di ba? Oh, light. Oh, di ba? So, hindi. So, ganon. We'll finalize with
Fart spray.
close your, ano?
Close your eyes because the
Close
smell
your
will be
eyes.
intense.
Open.
Hey, start mewing. Do like this.
Ay, sobra-sobra pa lang dapat.
No, no. A bit further, a bit further. Yeah, like that.
It's in.